Why are you calling me?
Hello. Jonathan, do you get the report I sent you? I never heard back.
No, I haven't gotten around to it. You know, I can hardly hear you, Stephen.
Listen, I did what I said I would.
I've replicated a Helios energy receptor. You can't go through with it.
Stephen, you're breaking up. I can hardly hear you.
No, I said I've replicated a receptor. It's flawed. There's side effects you don't understand.
You know, just a little reminder. It's because of you that our project was delayed for 3 months and we almost lost our funding. So please, don't call this number again.
No, Jonathan, please. It's too risky. My design is flawed.
Listen, I can assure you that we've taken all precautions. Goodbye, Stephen.
Oh my God, Stephen.
No.
I'm peaking over here. Containment units 2 and 4 just spiked 24%.
Hang on.
The vortex from satellite 2 shows no change in intensity. You sure the readings are correct? We have an anomaly with the magnetic field.
Holy crap.
What the hell?
Cell number 1 at 84%.
Whoa, crazy.
What the heck?
Okay, that was weird. As weird as that. No, not that weird.
Albert! Albert!
Stan, there's something weird going on. Stan, I'm talking to you.
Just hang on to your britches. Everybody, back inside! Get out of the counter! Albert! Help me! Please, give me a hand.
He's hurt pretty bad. He's bleeding.
Get the bandages.
It's like a mass possession of inanimate object.
No, none of that ghost crap. There has to be an explanation.
We're all gonna die.
We're not gonna die. I think it's stopping. Jeez!
I tell you, that show was rigged. Kid who worships Satan gets America's votes, and a good old country boy gets kicked to the curb.
I don't trust that second judge.
And a singing, like a cat in heat.
Well, you said it.
Next time I'm switching channels. Rather be watching a Reba rerun. Jen,
Hello?
you still there?
Hello? Something's wrong with the line.
The connection's breaking up. Damn it.
Okay, who's out here? Quit kidding around.
radio, man.
I just bought this thing. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh man, did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it. What the hell was that?
What the hell?
Jacques, que se passe-t-il?
Nous avons un problème avec l'unité 2!
I have a memory stick full of Windsor's data. It's the key to discovering its Achilles heel.
Michael, I'm losing you.
Greg! I think I got a problem. I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure it's fractured. Looks like it's moved on.
You're that scientist from yesterday.
I hope my dad gets to Helios on time.
There's something wrong with the car.
What?
The handling is weird.
Oh no, Rebecca, it's here.
We're caught in the magnetic field.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Trying. Can't. The pull is too strong. The church. Go. Jump.
calm, ladies. Stay calm. We'll be safe here. We'll be safe. It's all right. Don't worry.
Father! We need to get everyone in the basement.
The basement?
Bell's gonna collapse the roof. We need to get everyone in the basement. Where is it?
This way. Oh, over here. This way. Quick, stop. Hurry! Hurry! Come. No, this way. Hurry. Come on. Hurry. Hurry. Under here. Under here. Come on. There you go. We'll be okay. Under there. Get under here. Come on. Rebecca, look out.
Now.
Oh no.
Under threat of the approaching tornado, thousands of people are attempting to flee the city. It's complete chaos. If you are still indoors, go to the lowest seat.
3 door isn't working.
That's not good. What are they doing that for? It's here.
First drone is seconds away.
We just had a spike in the magnetic field. Density increased 12.4%.
It's... The drone is too close to the magnetic field, General. Pull back.
Come on.
Pull back.
We have a situation. The drone is not responding. Damn it!
It's caught. General, pull the second drone back to 1,200 yards or we're gonna lose it.
Understood.
This better work.
It will.
Come on, Michael.
I think I see something.
Bomb will detonate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.